Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at MPW. What the heck is MPW? A little penny stock? Well, sorta, not really. Look at where it's been, all right? In the $25 range, $20 range, right? Really good opportunity. So it has a bit of a rough time. So if you guys watched my main channel, if you're part of the private stock group, you know, if I would have I did a full analysis on this puppy, all right, and I really like it at this price. Whew, it is on sale because they are basically an quick RET, real estate investment trust, but it focuses on medical properties. Now, a couple of the hospitals they rent or lease to having some issues paying rent, okay, because yeah, a lot of problems there. But I think they could potentially solve these issues and get back on track. And if that's the case, this thing is going to the moon. And in the meantime, we're paying 14% dividend. It's like, what the heck? Are you serious right now? So, my deal. I said, okay, let me take a look at this. I've been nickel and diming this thing, right? Buying like 5 shares here or whatever. My Robinhood account, just playing around with it. But I'm ready to put some serious money into this. Sorta. Okay, so I'm going to say trade. I'm going to look at the options. All right. I'm going to try 44 cents. I'm going to buy 5 of these. I'm actually not going to buy these. I'm going to sell these. So I'm going to sell to open. Options. All right, I get a $220 credit. Max loss, $37.80. If this thing goes to zero, break even at $7.56. There ain't no way this thing's going below $8. Every time it has dipped below 8, it has bounced right back. Yay, filled. Okay, I had to go down a little bit in price. Not a big deal. Anyway, let's go now and buy some stock. So we have a tracking stock. It's one of my hacks. Trade. I'm going to buy 100 shares. Put a little limit on there. Say buy. View the order. All right, you can see we have both executed. Let's go back and check our position. All right, here is our position in medical properties, MPW. All right, we have tracking stock, which is 100 shares. Basically, I used to do 1 share, but this stock is so cheap. I'm not even going to bother. I just want the dividend income anyway. 11% or 14% now. So, and if it pretty much almost guaranteed not to go below $8. We'll see. But 10% a year, that's 80 cents a year. Not a bad deal. Okay. But $800, so $80 a year. Big deal, right? Well, if I put 100 grand into it, it becomes a bigger deal. And if that doubles, it goes back to its previous highs of $25. And it's be a good deal. But we'll see how this works out. Like I said, I'm not betting the farm on this yet. We want to see how the leases work out with the hospitals that are in a little bit of a bind. And anyway, if you guys want to see how this works out, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and the most important part of all, join my channel at the appropriate level to get my real-time stock trades and options trades, dividend trades, whatever, all the above. Join at the highest level you can, get as much data as possible, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Good luck out there in the markets.